Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get user input in Python program. To get user input in Python program, we use input function which accepts input from the user. Let's start. First open the idle. Then type input, opening bracket, single quotation, and in the inside single quotation you need to enter what you want to display. Let's say enter the value and execute the program. This is enter the value. Let's type 34 and see it displays 34. Now let's write the program in a file. Now I'm going to store the input in a variable. Let's say name equal to input enter name. Now print the enter value. Print your name is your plus is used to concatenate the string. Now it's equals to input enter is display is Now let's run the code. Save it as sample. Now type your name. In this way, you can get any user input in Python program. Thank you guys.